The subject verb agreement. This is the feedback class for to check whether you have done this or not. Now, you tell me, uh, individual student, do not try to talk together. Mr. Hamza, you tell me. Number one, which verb should we use there?
There are.
There are. Can you tell me the reason why we use are?
Sir, because it's plural.
Which one is plural?
Sir, 3 students.
Very good. Wow, clap for him. Surprising. Yes, the key word is here. Right? Sit down. Now, next one, Mr. Nazmul, you tell me. Physics, dash, and interesting subjects. What?
Physics.
Yes.
Is and
Is and. So, we should use is. Why we should use is?
so because it's is only one subject.
Yes, physics, though it looks like a plural word, but it is a
One subject.
fantastic. Wow. Marvelous. Now, third one, Miss Anaya, you tell me. Number 3, the children dash already in bed. Which verb should we use there? Are. What is the reason?
Because plural.
Which one is plural?
Children.
Children. The subject is plural, right?
Wow!
Wow! I'm happy. Wow. Okay. Now, number 4. 6 months dash a long time.
6 months is
You can.
so 6 months is long
Is.
time.
Why we will use is?
So is the singular.
Which one is singular?
So month.
6 months though look like a plural
But
word,
it's
but it is a
singular.
single.
Yeah,
unit.
singular.
Okay, nice. What shall you tell me number 5?
Every job is an opportunity
Why?
because it's singular.
Okay, every we can use for singular, or can we use it for plural? No, we cannot. Every is always for singular one. Last one, Ahnaf, you tell me. The guitar and amplifier
Sir, are
are. Why?
because guitar has an active.
Wow. Because both are joined by
And
and. Clap for everyone. Wow, I'm kind of surprised today. You guys are showing your true colors, huh? Okay. Now listen. As we have discussed in last class, that basic rules that we have discussed yesterday. This is the application, right? Beside that, subject based on subject. As we have discussed, single subject will have single verb. Plural subject will take plural verb. Now, there are some subjects, they are always confusing. So look at this indefinite pronoun. We know there are few types of pronoun. Can anyone tell me how many types of pronouns are there?
8.
Okay, very good. So one of them is indefinite pronoun, which actually cannot tell us it's not a definite person. For example, when you say everybody, it could be everybody in this room, right?
yes.
Now, see, I have put a column over there to show the difference between them, because these are singular subjects, these are plural subjects, and this can be used as a singular and plural both. For example, singular one, first one, look, everybody. As I said before, everyone. When you say everyone, it's one from among all, one, right? And then also everything. So next one, somebody, anybody, nobody, each, every, and already we have seen every use over here, right? So see, if you see this word, this indefinite pronoun as a subject of a sentence, in that case the verb will be singular. The verb will be what?
Singular.
Singular. Second one, look, plural one, both, several, few, many, others. So these subject, these pronouns, if you see as a subject in a sentence, in that case they will use plural verb. But last one, that column is the most interesting one, because these are very easy to identify that this is a singular subject, singular verb, you can use it. But the last one, most, they can be used as a singular, also can be
Plural.
plural. See, like example, none. None is doing the were, right? Or none are present there. See, both it can use, it take singular or plural, both. Depends on the situation. Question? Very important question. What is a pronoun? We are talking about indefinite. Yes. Hamza, you raised your hand. Why don't you? Sit.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sir, pronouns is the opposite of noun. Instead,
This is. Can we tell that pronoun is the opposite of noun?
No.
Yes, Anna.
Pronoun is a word which is used instead of a
Instead
noun.
of
Very good. So actually, pronoun is not opposite of noun. This is the second time Hamza told us that, right? We think we have heard this before.
Yes,
So,
sir.
pronoun is not a word that is opposite to noun. That is a word that we replace. Cause what does pronoun means? Pronoun. Instead of
No.
That's it. So any question?
No, sir.
Okay, you can turn it off.